Welcome to the Mind Compendium. If you're here, something brought you. Maybe a video, maybe a search, maybe just a feeling you couldn't quite name. The feeling that no matter how much comes in, it never seems to stick. That you understand what you're supposed to do with money and still can't make yourself do it. That gap between knowing and doing is exactly what this session is for. Put your headphones in if you can. This works better when the sound is close. Take a breath in through your nose, slow. Fill the bottom of your lungs first, then the chest. Hold it for just a moment. And let it out longer than it came in. Again, in through the nose, hold, and out. One more, breathe in, hold, and release. Let your body settle. If there's tension in your shoulders, your jaw, your hands, you don't have to force it out. Just notice it. Let it exist without gripping it back. Here's what's actually happening in the brain when income goes up and spending follows automatically. Your nervous system is built around a concept called baseline. It's constantly recalibrating what normal feels like, what's safe, what's enough, what you're entitled to. When income increases, your baseline quietly updates. What felt like a treat 6 months ago becomes background noise. The restaurant that felt like a splurge becomes the one you just go to. The upgrade that felt meaningful stops registering. This isn't laziness, it's hedonic adaptation, your brain's way of returning to a neutral emotional state after a positive change. It's the same system that makes good news feel less good over time. The same system that makes the new apartment feel ordinary within 3 months. Underneath that is something else, an identity story, a version of yourself that you're spending toward, not recklessly, not carelessly, but quietly, consistently, in ways that feel like you're just keeping up with who you are now. That story was built from somewhere, from what you watched growing up, from what the people around you normalized, from what you decided money was supposed to mean when you finally had more of it. And that story has a nervous system signature. It lives in the body, not just the mind, which is why information alone doesn't move it. Bring your attention to your chest. Not to change anything, just to notice. Is there tightness there? A kind of low hum of pressure? Or does it feel more open than usual? Whatever you find, just let it be there. Now bring your attention to your stomach. This is often where financial anxiety lives, that low-grade constriction that doesn't always have a name. If you feel it, don't try to fix it. Just acknowledge it. It's not a problem. It's data. We're going to do a round of box breathing now. This is a pattern that signals to your nervous system that you're safe, that you can think clearly, that you're not in a threat state. Breathe in for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Out for 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. One more time. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold, 2, 3, 4. Good. Stay with that settled feeling for a moment. Now I want to offer you something to work with, not as a performance, but as a pattern interrupt. Something to say to the part of you that reaches for spending as proof of arrival, as relief, as deserving. Repeat after me, silently or aloud. I can hold more without needing to spend more to feel like enough. Again. I can hold more without needing to spend more to feel like enough. My income is not my identity. I get to decide what my money means. Again. My income is not my identity. I get to decide what my money means. I am not behind. I am building. And building looks like choosing on purpose. Again. I am not behind. I am building. And building looks like choosing on purpose. Take a breath in. Let it out slowly. The lifestyle inflation pattern isn't going to break in one session. That's not what this is promising. What this does is give your nervous system a moment of pause, a gap between the trigger and the reaction, between the paycheck and the purchase, between the comparison and the decision. That gap is where your actual choices live. You don't have to white-knuckle your way to better financial behavior. You have to make it safe, at a nervous system level, to let go of what spending has been doing for you emotionally. And that's a practice, not a punishment, a practice. When you're ready, bring your awareness back slowly. Feel the surface under you. Take a breath that fills the whole body. Wiggle your fingers. Let your eyes open gently when they're ready. If this format is useful to you, if you want more of this kind of support alongside the financial content, subscribe to this channel. There's a full series here built around exactly this, the inner work that makes the outer strategy actually stick. And if you haven't watched the video this meditation was made for, the one on lifestyle inflation over on the Money Compendium, the link is in the description. That's the information side. This is the nervous system side. Both matter. This is the Mind Compendium. Master your mind. Master your money.